Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to our channel Love Story with Technology. My name is Atish. Today we are going to see how to create recovery services vault in Azure. Before that, if you are new in our channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can see our latest upcoming video. So we start with how to create a vault in Azure. We need to log in our tenant using our global admin credential, authenticate via MFA, authenticated successfully. Click yes to log in. Click on recovery service vault, then click on create. We need to create resource group first. This is our test, so I mention a test mass Microsoft Azure recovery service. Click OK. Test mass Central India. I am located in Central India, so I prefer Central India. You can select your region. Then next for redundancy, here you can find geo redundant and local redundant. So as per your requirement, you can choose any of these. Geo redundant having the different data center in different region, local redundant in same region having the different data centers. I'm taken as a local redundant. Next to encryption, here is the encryption type. Use Microsoft Manage Key as default. If you wish to customize, you can click use customize like customer manage key. Here you can see use customer manage key. You need to mention the URL and select the key vault. Then you need to mention the identity. So this is our test, so we prefer this. Use Microsoft Manage Key. Move to next vault properties. Next to networking, allow public access from all networks. Denny, so connectivity type we choose first one. Next to tag, in every video I mentioned that we need to add a tag to any resource while we are creating in Azure. So it is easy to identify in billing, because billing administrator can look at that resource. Create and review. Create. Deployment process in progress. You can see your deployment is completed successfully. Then go to the resource. Our recovery service vault is created. Test mask. Click on backup. We need to configure backup. Select your workload. If it is running on Azure or on premises, Azure Stack Hub, Azure Stack HCI. But this is our test environment, so we prefer on premises. If you having the Azure VMs, you can select Azure. You can see SQL Server, Azure File Share, and Azure Virtual Machine. You can take a backup, but we prefer the on premises. So I want to take a files and folder backup. So I clicked on file and folders. You can take your Hyper-V machine backup as well, VMware virtual machine, all of this like SharePoint, SQL. These all these workload needs to be on your on-prem. So I select the files and folder, prepare infrastructure, download agent for Windows Server or Windows Client. This agent needs to be installed on your device. If you wish to take a backup of your files and folder from your server or your particular end user desktop or laptop, you just need to install Microsoft Azure Recovery Service Agent on that system or server. That system can be laptop or desktop, no worries. You can see I downloaded this setup. Then I downloaded the Vault credential key to register the Vault. Like while we are running this agent on your laptop, desktop, or server, that time he asked to register your Vault. Using this credential, your device will be communicated with this Vault, Azure Vault, and that data will be stored within this Vault from your system. So I'm going to show you how it works. So our agent is downloaded. I'm going to install it. Installation is in process. Select the store path, installation path for agent. Click next. I do not want to update automatic update, so I choose I do not want to use Microsoft updates right now. Next, install. But one important thing is here, your agent and operating system always will up to date. Otherwise, your backup will be failed. So make sure your operating system and Microsoft Azure Recovery Service Agent always updated. Otherwise, your backup service does not work properly, and your backup might be get failed. You can see now he's asking for registration. So I am going to click this, proceed to registration, choose your Vault key, which we downloaded from here, browse, download, and this one is our Vault key, Vault credential. You can see once you select all the detail like backup service, Vault name, region, everything is here. Next, you need to type your passphrase key. Always keep in mind you need to store this passphrase key on your secured location. I do not prefer to keep the passphrase key on same device or same server, because if someone got this passphrase key, he can log into your so this passphrase key. Yeah, correct. Store the passphrase key and take this. Then temporary, I'm going to save this in my downloads, but I do not recommend to store on the local or same system. This is our test environment, so I'm going to select this and then finish. Passphrase key does not match, so we'll create a generate passphrase key by itself, default. Finish. This is registering. You can see agent is registered successfully and passphrase key was saved on location. And here is a warning. As I said, storing the passphrase locally can be lead to passphrase loss due to deletion and ransomware attack. Microsoft cannot help to recover your data if the passphrase is lost. Save a copy of passphrase to another computer or Azure Key Vault immediately. So same thing I shared with you before this error comes up. So this is our test environment. So that's the reason only we keep this on the local path. Then launch and close. This is our Microsoft Azure backup agent. Now we need to configure backup here. So we just need to click schedule backup. Then next, add item. I'm going to take init test folder for backup. So I prefer to take contacts only. Okay. You can add here exclusion setting like MP3, or you just need to put extension what kind of file you don't want to be backup while your backup is scheduled for this particular folder. You can exclude from here. So I don't want to add any exclusion, so I don't add it. I move forward to next. You can mention the backup schedule here. within a day you can configure 3 times. If you wish to configure, if you wish to schedule in one time only, you can mention one time. If you wish to configure weekly backup schedule, you can choose weekly and you can have 3 slots. But I prefer a day after the production of hours, or you can be say like that working hours. So then you can select the 6. Next, you need to mention the retention policy here as per your organization policy. You can mention all these things here like a weekly retention policy, monthly retention policy, or yearly retention policy. What kind of retention policy you want to set, for how many days, weeks, months, and a year. You can modify as per your customized requirement, and you can change the schedule as well. So this is our test again. So I prefer the default one and move forward to next. Transfer over the network. Yes, I need to select this one. Next, and finish. You can see in process, success, and close. So backup is run on the 6 as per our schedule, but I want to run this backup right now. So you have option here for backup now. Backup. You can see backup job completed and 30 MB data has been successfully transferred. So I'm going to close and we are moving to our vault to validate. So we just need to go to our tenant and recovery service vault. Then you can see our recovery service vault test mask. Click on this. You can see the vault properties here. You can see the backup jobs. Still, it's not fetching. We need to click on protection item, which item we protected from the server, backup items, then Azure backup agent. You can see we protect this item, see items, protected server, view details, this one, latest and oldest one. We run this on before the few minutes. So this is the overall video how to configure your recovery service vault and the backup using Microsoft Azure backup services and recovery services. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video is valuable to you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tech video. Our next upcoming video is on the MATS Microsoft Backup Server. So there you can learn a lot because that is system to server and server to Azure backup and maths concept. So you can learn a lot of things there. So don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can receive the updated and upcoming video pop-up. Thank you very much. Thanks.